For most of you, Zoom is the go-to product for meetings. It's one of those products that is just unrecognizable in comparison to everything else in your tool stack. Why? Because it's one of the products in your tool stack that you cannot go without. But an issue really does come up when you are working inside of Zoom and you're on a call and you're trying to take notes and you're just getting too flustered because of everything going on. You didn't get a specific action item written down, and then in future calls and meetings, what happens is you realize you've made a mistake and you have to apologize for it. Luckily for you, we actually have a really great product that allows you to take all of what is being said, transcribe it, and then have an AI note taker summarize everything, bullet point the action items, and do so much more. Pairing Zoom with our product Tactiq is like taking your favorite piece of sandwich topping, putting it right on that sweet, sweet bread and eating it. Now that analogy may not have been that obvious, but I'm gonna show you basically, it goes together like peanut butter and jelly. I was trying to be unique. I should have just said that. But what it does do in all seriousness is take the hardest part of meetings, which is taking notes, take that off your plate so you can focus on the meeting itself, and then take everything that happens afterwards and make it a really easy follow-up for not only just yourself, but also your teammates. I'm somebody who uses Slack pretty often, and the great thing about Tactiq is it allows you to integrate with other products seamlessly with these AI summaries. So I am gonna show you how I send out different follow-ups to my teammates on how meetings went through our integration with not only Zoom, but also with Slack. Okay, so I've actually been recording this entire time. If you go to Zoom and have the Chrome extension installed, so it's pretty simple. Tactiq has a free plan where you get 10 transcriptions per month, a pro plan with unlimited transcriptions, and then team with unlimited AI credits and unlimited transcriptions. But to use the product, you literally just need to add it to your Chrome. And then when it's added to your Chromium-based browser, what you'll see is inside of here, it's transcribing every word that's being said. It's a very simple and easy to use product because you can also take notes right here. The Tactiq Chrome extension can be used in any web-based meeting product, including Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and WebEx. So those different products are basically the ones on the market you can use with it. And it's allowed based on the fact that there are different captions going on in the background of those products. And pretty simply, it's taking the captions, as you can see, show captions, right? It's taking these captions and then capturing it in here. And then the AI in the back end does the rest of the work to make it a much more digestible meeting product. Pretty simple and easy to do. If you want to ever pause the transcription, you can press pause here. You can open up the transcript in a Google Doc. You can take a screenshot of what's going on. Say, for example, I was sharing a Chrome tab here, and then I took a screenshot of it. It's going to take a screenshot of what's going on and make it a lot more digestible later in the meeting notes. As you can see, they're added to the system here. Really cool. Very much enjoy how this is all set up. And if I want to change the language, I could into whatever I want as well. Comes with a lot of languages too. All right, so I am pretty much done with this meeting. Let's just end it for all. Then when it's over, what it's going to do is it's actually going to create a new meeting inside of my Tactiq account. You can see my meetings right here, has a couple screenshots, has the meeting itself right here. And I can type any questions I want into this AI chatbot here, or I can use these quick prompts, like generate action items. And it'll take the information and generate some action items for us, like explore the integration of Tactiq with Zoom for better note taking during meetings. Now, if I wanted to make that not only give me the action items, but also send it to my team members, what I can do is I can use our workflows feature. So if I go to my workflows here, you'll see there's a list of different workflows that I've set up, like follow up with action items after meetings on Slack. Now, how did I set this up? It's pretty simple. I utilized the pre-made template and then made some tweaks to it. This is an AI prompt where all I had to do was set up a AI prompt for generating action items. This is a default one that the product does include. Add a step for reviewing before proceeding. So that would basically say to me, if I like the meeting notes action item output, then I can send it to the next step, which in this case is Slack. I integrated my Slack, and then basically I'm going to take the output variable from that step 2 output here and send it to Slack. Okay, so let's just go back to the meetings, and you can run it in that test environment over here, or in any meeting, you can simply find it and be like, oh, follow up with action items after meeting and send via Slack. It's gonna show what it's doing, right? It's gonna make the action items prompt, ask me whether I think it looks good or not. I think it does look good. And then from there, it's going to simply send this out to Slack. You can see that green dot. And you'll see right here that it actually followed up with all of the action items from that meeting, just like that. Now, you can obviously do much more than just follow up with action items. You can write a detailed summary. Those types of things can be edited by going back to your workflows and making some tweaks. So if I click on this, go to Builder, what if I want to make a change here? I could select an AI prompt that's more custom. I could say summary and action items. And then let's try that again with that same Zoom meeting, because it still has the step 3 output. Okay, press accept, and bing, bang, boom. It's gonna send it over to my Slack. All right, so it followed up again. So we have quick summary. During the meeting, Dimitri discussed the integration of Tactiq with Zoom, highlighting the benefits for note-taking, and then some action items right here. This is gonna be perfect for anyone looking to utilize Zoom and then quickly follow up with their team members on Slack. I wish I had this during early parts of my business where I was struggling to keep up with note-taking, but the fact of the matter is it's here now, and I know you are going to enjoy it in your own experience. So we at Tactiq really appreciate the time you spent with us here today. So make sure to check out that Chrome extension by clicking the link down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.